Okay, so I just woke up and I'm about to see the outside. Whoa. I didn't think it was going to be snowing. I thought it was going to be snow on the ground. My dad's shoveling. Whoa, look at the ground. Look at that. Look how thick the snow is. Wow. That's amazing. Big smiley face. Okay. Go hurry. It was kind of depressed. Wow, that's a lot of snow coming down. Never seen snow fall down that fast. Well, I probably have, but I don't remember. It's going really fast down though. Like if you snow fall down a lot, but not like really fast like that, like it's raining or something. Peter already forgot about me? Like what? She goes to you and then she forgets about me? Like what?
I want to see that.
I'm busy. Oh, what? I don't know. What?
Get out of here.
I get out of here.
Get out of here. And then she doesn't look at you.
So I woke up at 10:10, and right now it's 11:35, and it is still snowing. It hasn't even rested. So that noise you could hear in the background, I'm pretty sure you can. I think my dad is working downstairs, so if you can hear weird stuff, it's him. Also, it's still snowing. I'm gonna go ahead and play Sims. So yeah. Yesterday, okay, yesterday it was still snowing. Hold on, my sister's coming. Okay, yesterday when it was snowing last night, it sounds horrible. At least it would stop every few minutes. Or every couple of minutes, like every 13 minutes, and it would stop like every 2 minutes, and then it'd snow again. It'll go like some sort of pattern like that. So yeah, and now it's just snowing repeatedly. So yeah, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and play, but I'm also gonna listen to music. So I'll talk to you later. Okay. Yeah, I just finally stopped getting a little noise for like, I don't know, an hour. Right now I'm playing my Sims still, and I'm at their business right now. As you can see. Ooh, I need to restock some things, so I need to do that. I only have $5,000 in this business. It's still snowing. You probably can't see. You can see a little bit, but my camera sucks, so I'm sorry. I want to talk to you about this book that I got at the store, at the dollar store. And I haven't exactly told you what I got there. But this is one of the things I got. It's called The Steady Running of the Hour by Justin Go. And so far, I really like it. I'm already on page 39. But there's like different, it's not chapters necessarily, like different spots. So I really like getting the cover off because I can't really read with covers on. It just gets in the way. This is the cover. It's really pretty and cool and artsy looking. So I really like it so far because it has different perspectives. And his perspectives are in different time zones, so it's really cool to read that. So in my Sims right now, I have my boss person. She's the one that made it all happen with the what's it called? The business. And this is her guardian, I guess, because in the beginning of The Sims, they didn't really have parents. There's just 2 teenagers and 2 adults. So I guess you can say this is guardian. And yeah, so now I get to restock on everything. I did change some stuff. This is this now has 2 floors, like I told you. Oh, I need to decorate the outside. But there's like more stuff in the upstairs, but I realized that nobody goes upstairs, so I don't know how I'm gonna make them go upstairs, but whatever, we'll see if they just go by themselves. I got a cash register up here so they can greet people from when they go upstairs. We got another bathroom. It's a lot nicer than the bathroom I had before, which is this one. Yeah, but it's still a bathroom, so. And then we got a bed for the Sims to rest. It's not for sale, but yep. I'm thinking about making this, being able to sell everything, like bakery, clothes, stuff. So like basically everything, kind of like a Walmart going on. Got like a Walmart, or yeah. Yep, I did. But I did decorate the inside with the floors on the upstairs, but I didn't get to do the walls, or neither the walls downstairs, which I never did before. And the outside walls I did. You can see it's brick, but the top walls I didn't do. So yeah, we'll see what happens next, I guess. Like a snow fox.
Actually, it's a snow wolf.
Snow wolf. So much.
Antarctic wolf, that's what they're called.
He just likes laying in there.
I was running with him a little bit.
Okay.
He had a blast.
He's all mad when we put him inside.
Careful with that. You didn't even close it.
It's okay.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. There's shit over there.
But how do you know which one was down?
Oh, well, you're knocking down. Okay. We can't really see it.
I scared Mom a little bit ago. Like she's on the other side, and we're talking about how if I knock this down, the ceiling will come down.
Oh.
Then I did this, and the entire wall like moved.
Wow.
So you want to see me here or over there?
Over there. But I need a flashlight, so I can't see.
Right. If I knock that down, this stuff's gonna be under it. So help me a little bit.
I'm just the recorder.
Just gonna do this. Move this out of the way. These are important. Cushion. Move this. This especially. There you go.
Okay.
Alright.
Wow.
Yeah. That was way too quick. For the moment, just cut this part off.
Looks weird.
Dad should be jealous because he wanted it in big chunks and they're big chunks. Now I need to tear them down in little chunks so I can put them in the bag. You want to help me?
No.
You want to help me tear them apart?
No.
Oh, you don't want to break them?
No. Why is Mickey and Minnie here?
I think it was here a little bit ago, just playing with them.
Oh.
Oh, that's all I had to do. Because I'm not authorized to break this yet.
Oh. That's
I
interesting.
didn't hit this. It's good. Nice, isn't it?
Yep. So what are you gonna do again?
We're gonna move the wall.
Where do you put it?
Right here.
Just a little bit?
Yep, and then add a closet right here.
Oh. So like that's not even that big of a distance. Okay, cool. This now. Do it again. Wow. That's how big that is, like generally, because nobody touches that part. Gotta measure this. Look. It looks bigger than it is. You got this.
Okay.
Papa.
Hi, baby.
Sorry.
Let me see. Like that. He's very cold, baby. Like that, Allie.
Okay, come on. Come inside.
Come on, let's go inside.
Okay. I'm in the bathroom right now, but that's besides the point. Tomorrow school's closed, so it'll be Monday and Tuesday in a row that it'll be closed. It'll probably be the last time because I think the beginning of the year it closed also. Or true, I don't remember. So it probably won't close on Wednesday. But I heard that by tomorrow at 11 in the afternoon it would stop snowing. So yeah, my nail's totally flipping out right now. I just finished the dishes. I'm gonna get back to light. You're just better than you. They're always talking about her. Thinking about doing my routine, but Allie's downstairs, and I just realized that I might not have my drink and my what's it called? My hair looks so stupid. I'm so sorry. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Okay, I'm just gonna talk. So, okay, this is in the wrong side, but whatever. And I need to charge my tablet. And I think that'll be it. So, I'll go ahead and see if I have my drink in there, charge my tablet, and then go downstairs. Allie's downstairs, so I'm just gonna let her hang down there for a little bit more until I get everything ready to go downstairs and do my routine. So, yeah. There's still some cupcakes from yesterday, but they always have a lot of frosting. I mean, look at this. It doesn't taste good, a lot of frosting, but the chocolate's good. So we need this. Okay. Go ahead and go to bed. As you can see, I just finished my routine. So, yeah. Here. So you don't have to look. Where's my other hat? This isn't even my hand. Okay. So I'm gonna edit all that out. Go ahead and go to bed right now. I just finished my routine. I'm gonna read a little bit more of this book. Remember, it's called The Steady Running of the Hour. So, yeah, and then I'm gonna go ahead to bed. So if you like today's vlog, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and remember, the bird always sings in his cage. Peace.